refreshing kasi first time mo rin makatrabaho si Madge and si James.
First time,
diba?
yes. Si Ate Dims lang actually nakatrabaho ko sa lahat ng
Yes.
cast, I think. Pero lahat kami first. Yeah.
Meron bang kapaan in the beginning, getting to know, ganon? Or
Yes,
siya,
meron.
hihiyaan?
Meron, for sure.
Meron?
Yeah. Kasi I've known Ate Madge for quite some time now, but I know Ate Madge as like, you know, my sister in the industry and Ate Dims also. Pero iba naman talaga kapag nasa set tayo. So, iba kung paano mo kilalanin yung isang artista na katrabaho mo. And syempre, may adjustments din doon kung paano kami. But you know, overall, siguro one thing in common sa aming lahat, we're all hungry. We want this to work. And it's the project that we're all parang fully committed in. So, yun yung humahawak sa amin lahat.
Ang laking bagay ng hungry no? Yung excited ka. Parang Madge, di ba? Since you became a mom, ito yung show mo ulit. It's your comeback also. So, Gigil, nagigil ka ba? Bumalik din sa serye. Gigil, nagigil. Oo. Kasi diba, syempre, your old characters, yung mga characters na tumatak talaga sa'yo, talagang larger than life, ganyan. But dito sa Someone Someday, anong may expect namin kay Maha?
Without
Spoiling?
I'll try ha.
Sige.
Kasi nung isang video content, hirap na hirap. Pero siguro, yung sinabi mo, Gretch, kung gigil, andun yung talagang kinausap ko si Kat. Tapos sabi ko, nag-thank you nga ako kasi she said yes na makasama ako dito sa Someone Someday. Tapos sabi ko, babe, pares tayong gutom. So parang, yes ate. So nag-usap kami magtutulungan, yes, scenes. And then, yung giggle na ginawa mo, feeling ko kayo yung manggigigil sa akin.
Sa trailer pa lang, medyo hindi ko maintin. Takot ako sa'yo, bad ka ba?
Sabihin na lang natin, ako po si Abby dito. At si Abby ay hinahanap yung lugar niya sa mundo ni Billy. So abangan niyo kung tatanggapin mo siya ni Billy o hindi. And then, subaybayan niyo na po. Ganun lang ate masasabi ko.
Pero alam mo, hindi naman to spoil, but I remember you saying that even if, kunwari, medyo yung character mo kainisan, mamahalin mo pa rin siya. I remember you saying that because there's something about yung character mo na mapapamahal din sila.
Siguro yun yung galing ng mga Pinoy, na ating mga creatives, na ating mga writers, at yung mga directors namin, yung alam nilang balansehin. Kasi sa buhay naman natin, dumadaan talaga tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng dark cloud, di ba? Pero nandun yung, ikaw, forever ka ba dyan mag-stay? Or sino makakapagpabago sa'yo? May ganyan. So, madami. Ang hirap, Gretch.
Ang cryptic nga nun. Abangan na lang natin talaga paano mag-unfold ang kwento.
Oo.
Gabi-gabi.
Yes, kaya excited ako. Talagang na-challenge ako gawin yung role ko. Kasi grabe yung journey niya. So, dun ako excited na papanood nyo at i-uncover nyo yung journey ni Abby.
Yan. Si naman, baka may masabi pa sila. Lilipat na ako kay direct ngayon at kay Dolly, direct siya and Dolly. With, how was it working with them and with Netflix? And yung process na yun na, sinabi nyo that there's may thriller, may layers, may love, may, ang dami. So, paano nyo sila ginaid and how did you bring out the best sa kanila in terms of bringing their characters out and the purpose of their characters?
Maraming discussion na nangyayari, di ba? Before and after. Before kumapasok sa set, at saka during sa set, maraming discussion doon sa kung ano ba yung core ng characters. Kasi di ba, gaya nga sinabi ni Madge, sa kanila, lahat naman tayo iba-iba. Pero at the same time, sa characters kasi nila, meron talaga silang isang ultimate goals para sa sarili nila, di ba? So, yun yung naging guiding principle namin. It took us a while to figure it out. Kasi maraming, at saka mahaba kasi yung teleserye, di ba? Hindi naman siya like a movie na isang sitting lang siya. So because this is a series, and a long-form series, the characters go through so many journeys all throughout the whole show. Parang yung season niya, ang dami niyang pagdadaanan. So it's really more of keeping keeping track and very professional naman din kasi itong lahat ng nakatrabaho namin. We were lucky enough and we were blessed to have thinking characters or thinking actors or people who know what their characters are, but at the same time they also listen to suggestions. They also listen to where we want the characters to go to. So naging collaborative yung part na yun. At yun nga, inaaral din talaga nila, inaaral din namin kung paano sila dadalhin doon sa kung saan namin siya kailangan dalhin. So, ayun. Tsaka very, masaya yung set namin, very professional sila, very fun, tapos pagdating doon, game na.
Thank you, Dolly. Direct Chad, would you like to add to that?
Yeah, siguro adding to what Dolly said na they know, we focus on the goals of each character. Yun nga, parang I feel, I really appreciate their inputs in their own characters. Kasi our ultimate goal din naman bukod sa goals ng characters is to ground their characters. Ako ideally kasi sana it's very relatable, very real. Na yung tao is parang hindi siya super white, super black. Alam mo, we all have our own episodes naman na sa buhay, there are dark times na we don't want to show, but we all pass through it. Diba? Parang there are also light times that we don't share with everyone. So parang yun yung tinatry namin i-balance na parang yung realism of the characters that everyone in general, not only here in the Philippines, globally, that we get to relate to.
Now I'll go to Dimples. I'm curious na yung 16-year na reunion nyo. Grabe, di ba?
Pero hindi ko naalala yung edad ko at sinasabi yung 16 years. Parang isip ko, oo nga.
Hindi ko naman pinapaalala, pero yun ang kasulat dito. 16 years talaga eh. Grabe,
Oo, di ba? Isip-isip.
ang big. Imagine mo kung nagkaanak ka ulit noon, teenager na rin siya.
No, so yung age niya,
Oo.
yun yung edad. Hindi naman, yun yung edad, no? Hindi, yun yung layo ng taon na nagkatrabaho kami. Edad niya yan. 16 siya nun eh.
Yes.
Oh,
That's
okay.
right.
Wow.
So, anak ko siya sa Maraclara.
Anak mo na talaga.
Oo. Diba? Diba? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, nakapagpatapos na ako ng piloto. So, ibig sabihin, tumanda na ako talaga. Pero you know what, Gretch? I'm just very grateful that we're still here.
Yeah.
That I still get to do what I love to do. And I get to do it with people that I love working with. And you know, to be in my position, wala ka nang hinihingi kasi sa edad ko, ha? Yung healthy ka na lang, may mga anak ka, may asawa ka. Tapos yung makakatrabaho mo, yung mga nagsisimula, kasi nung nagsisimula kami ni Catherine, pareho pa kami mga nangangarap. Hindi naman namin inakalang ko, baka naisip mo bang darating tayo dito?
Hindi, ate.
Diba? So, you just keep working hard. Eh, totoo, palakpakan natin si Kat. Kasi nakaka-proud yun na. It's something to be proud about, Kat. I mean, I have seen you when you were a nene. As in, as in. So imagine mo, now that I'm seeing her with all of the layers, not of her characters, not of her... Because when I look at Kat, I don't see the characters. I don't see the roles. I see the young lady I still got to see growing up, and I see her now, and I'm so proud. I'm so proud. She was it. At saka natatawa ko kasi yung mga tinatawanan namin ngayon, Gretch, sa set, yung mga tinatawanan din namin dati, street food, pagkain, tinapay, yun pa din sabi ko nga sa kanya, katang sarap pala ng ganito, no? Yung kahit pa paano, may na-achieve na tayo sa industriyang to, tapos nakakaluwag-luwag ka na, but you still become happy about the simplest of things. And for me, that is the true measure of a successful person. Yung hindi ka binago ng husay mo.
That's so
Kaya na,
beautiful.
bukas shopang ha?
Gusto ko ate.
Ano kahit ano ha? Alam mo na. Alam mo na.
Pero alam mo, ang masasabi ko lang din kay Dimple, 16 years ago man yun, hindi nagbabago ang mukha mo. Isa kang pagpila. What is your secret?
The secret is to have peace.
Peace.
Kasi alam mo, kahit anong gawin mong pagpapaganda, pag wala kang kapayapaan sa puso, sa isipan mo, hindi ka magiging maganda at masaya.
Totoo naman.
Sorry na, hindi na kayo. Di ba totoo naman talaga, hindi kasi nakaka-pretty pag wala kang peace.
Yeah.
Pag konsumido, it shows.
Yeah, totoo yun.
Regardless versus,
I
I'm sure.
have a fantastic husband to thank for that. And my children, they all make me so happy. So wala na akong mahiling pa. Just to be here with you guys is
cherry on the top.
Aww.
Oh, I'm so grateful. Thank you, Netflix. And thank you, Someone Someday. And Dreamscape. And Kath. Thank you for allowing me to be part.
Thank you for saying yes.
Thank you. Yes.
At malapit na natin mapanood yung outcome ng work na ginawa nyo. Kasi ngayon pa lang feel na natin yung bonding nyo, and I'm sure this will translate even more sa screen. Now this question, we have a question from our friends from the press.